Hi family, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time dropping in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is where we do fun Dollar Tree DIYs. And today's DIY is going to be some planty things. So let's get gluing. As always, I like to have a little glass of wine while I DIY. So I got some fun inspiration on Pinterest. I've been seeing those like hanging plant strainers, and I realized I really want to make one of those, but I don't want to use a metal strainer because sometimes that metal starts to rust. So I picked up a plastic strainer at the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna make a hanging planter, and we're also gonna plant a Hoya in it. So I want to paint this a fun color. We're going to be using the satin sea glass color. This is one that I just have laying around the house, but you can pick up any color you want from your local hardware store. While we're letting the strainer dry, we're going to start our next planty DIY. This one is super simple. I picked up these quart mats at Walmart for probably like $1.50, and we're just gonna paint something fun on them. Just taking some painter's tape so I can paint some colorful lines on here. This is where you can get really creative. I wanted to show everybody what the cork mats look like after they're all dry. These are gonna look great in my kitchen. I have like a lemon and lime thing going on, so the green and yellow is going to be perfect. Our last little planty DIY, we're gonna use these rugs. The first step we're gonna do is we're gonna unravel this rug. Once we get it all unraveled, we're gonna braid pieces together and we're gonna make a plant mat. So our hanging basket is all spray painted and done, and it's all dry, and it's ready to have the plant put inside of it. I'm really excited, so let's get planting it. The first thing I'm going to do is I have some mesh, and I'm going to put some mesh in here and kind of cut it to fit so it doesn't hang over, because this will help for all of the dirt not to just fall straight through. And it will still provide the drainage that it needs. We're going to be planting this Hoya. I am a newer plant mom, so I don't know a lot about plants. I'm still learning. So I do a lot of research before I buy the plant I'm looking for, because I don't want to buy one if I'm just going to end up killing it, which is okay because I have done that before. But if you're local to Tampa, I picked up this Hoya at the Kirby Nursery that is in Brandon. That's actually where I've bought in all my plants, besides a couple that I've picked up at Lowe's or at Walmart. They're one of my favorite nurseries. So let's get this in here. Touch to our hanging plants is adding our little plant hanger chain. This I also just picked up at the Dollar Tree. If you guys enjoyed this fun planty DIY, then make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see what goes on in my daily life or where I get some of my inspiration from, you can check out my Instagram or my Pinterest account. I'll put the links in the description below. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!